To do a custom ringtone, you have to have GarageBand and Garage-ringtone app in your iPhone. If you are all set to go, start the screen recorder from the control center. Now open the YouTube. Maximum duration allowed in the ringtone is set to 30 seconds by default. So play the favorite part of your music for 40 seconds. When you are done, stop recording by touching the red dash on the left top corner. Video will be automatically saved in the photo library. Open the Garage Ringtone app. You will see a plus icon. Once you press that, it will direct you to the photo album. Now you can select. Hi friends, thanks for watching this video.